In the wake of the recent terrorist attack in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir, that claimed the lives of 26 Indian tourists, New Delhi is stepping up economic pressure on Pakistan by targeting indirect trade routes. The incident has reignited public and political calls to sever all remaining commercial ties, particularly those occurring through third-party nations. Despite near-frozen diplomatic relations, India's exports to Pakistan surged by 127% in 2024, reaching $1.21 billion, a significant jump from $530.91 million in 2023. In contrast, Pakistan's exports to India stood at under $1 million, making the bilateral trade overwhelmingly one-sided. Pakistan, which had suspended formal trade with India after the abrogation of Article 370 in 2019, has increasingly relied on Indian goods for essential commodities like pharmaceuticals, cotton, chemicals, food grains, and machinery. These products often reach Pakistan via indirect routes through third countries like the UAE, Singapore, and Oman, where goods are relabeled in bonded warehouse to obscure their Indian origin. A report by the Global Trade Research Initiative, GTRI, estimates that over $10 billion worth of Indian goods enter Pakistan annually through such backdoor channels, nearly 10 times the volume of direct trade. India is now collecting detailed data on these rerouted exports, with plans to tighten regulatory controls and restrict such indirect trade. The Confederation of All India Traders has also announced a complete cessation of business with Pakistan, reflecting growing domestic resolve. These steps mark a strategic shift in India's economic diplomacy, using trade restrictions as a tool to combat cross-border terrorism and send a clear message that acts of violence will carry tangible economic consequences.
You do admit, sir, that Pakistan has had a long history of backing and supporting and training and funding these terrorist organizations.
Well, we have been doing this dirty work for the United States for about 3 decades, and West, including Britain.
So that's your argument,